Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to unlink your World of Warships account from Steam. Important note, once you unlink, your Wargaming account will no longer be connected to Steam, but your game progress stays on your Wargaming account. Here's how you do it. Open your web browser and go to the official World of Warships website, or the wargaming.net. Log in using your Wargaming account, or the account that is linked to Steam. What you have to do next is click on the profile right here and click on account management. Once you're here, you can see the linked social networks that you have on the right side here. And if you have Steam linked, your Steam will also show up here. What you have to do is hover on Steam and then click to unlink it, and then click on continue to confirm your action. After this, your Steam account will no longer be connected. And if you'll need to log in with your Wargaming account, after this, your Steam account will no longer be connected. And you'll need to log in with your Wargaming account to play. Tips: make sure you remember your Wargaming login before unlinking. You can relink Steam later if needed. And unlinking does not delete your game progress. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked World of Warships from Steam.